Hi, everybody. Mary Mercurio here again. So, one of the things that I wanted to talk about was during the pandemic, I don't know if this is everywhere, but a lot of people that I know started these bitmoji classrooms. And in them, we were able to provide synchronous, asynchronous learning to a lot of students, whether they were in person or if they were virtual or if they were in quarantine or however it worked out. And I actually really enjoyed using them. So I kind of continue with these in my classrooms at both schools, with both all the way from my pre-K all the way up to my eighth grade students. So the reason I continue this is because I do have students that are in and out of quarantine, and sometimes whole classrooms are in quarantine, and sometimes children aren't able to get to school. So, this kind of keeps a level playing field for all my grades and in all my levels. And I actually use it in the classroom. It's kind of something I have up on my smart board when they come in the morning and in the beginning of their classes, and then they're able to access this from at home too. So, um, I really found this to be a very useful tool in the situation that we're in right now, where, there are kids that are in and out, and then there are kids that are there all the time, and some that really aren't able to completely get to school because of all the different things that are going on. So, um, I just wanted to show, I have two of them, one for each of the schools, and this is my morning group, and you'll see anytime, I'm sure everybody's seen Bitmoji classrooms by now, but they're created on Google Slides. And in here, anytime you see the icon change, is it turns into a link. So if I were to click on my seventh graders, this is my middle school group. So if you click on the seventh graders, it opens up into Google Slides that of what they're working on right now, and this includes the lesson, an example, the rubric, the steps, any little videos to help with learning, and anything else that the student needs to know. And inside of my Bitmoji classroom, I also have like uh, different things for the kids to do. This links to different elements of art videos, and this links to music that I play in the classroom. You'll see the little mug says free draw. This is also useful if I'm out. I can access this and at home and change things and give it to whoever is filling in my classroom. Let's see, this one goes to online art games that uh, sometimes when the kids have free time in the classroom, they can go on there and they can play some art games, some virtual art games. So being able to link both the in-person students and myself and the virtual students, and this is how I've gone about that process. Sometimes if I have a whole group out, I will put a video link in there and they can link into the classroom with me. So it's all a learning curve. I mean, how many of us have really taught through a pandemic? But this was a tool that I found very useful, that I really think that I would continue even after we're out of these unprecedented times. So thanks for checking out my Bitmoji classroom, and I hope you have a great weekend.